And today is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. We have Ollinojankatu 11 staircase, but the only staircase with an elevator. We have just been to the building 9 staircase, which is also the only one with an elevator. It's in Lintulampi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, or Finland, but it's close to Lintulampi and Niemeranta.
Yeah.
To which once they are extending the Tampere light rail line by 2024. Now let's see what this was built. It has 6 floors and it was built in 1998. Turning 25 years old in 2023 when it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is B1 and D2246. Very nice. I like the floor here.
Same.
Yeah. It's possibly early 1998.
Yeah. It's too slow.
Yeah, should have been made faster.
Yeah.
Because, for example, in US, even there I found a 3-floor one without the doors.
Yeah.
And faster. Or
Yeah.
it was in Oulu. Yeah, in Oulu actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 3 floors. Early 1999, the same as this, but fast
Yeah.
and not slow like this. That was really advanced for 3 floors.
Yeah.
But also because it has no indoors.
Where it was?
It was in what was that name of the suburb again? But where they have
Peltola probably.
Peltola, yeah.
Yeah.
1997.
Yeah.
Well, at their end, you remember?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yes, and Novel VR they have.
Yeah,
So that's where it's located.
Yeah, I filmed it
Mhm.
also.
Yeah. That 1999, early 1999.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, with 3 floors.
Yeah.
All right.
Svettitpakki
Great.
Meidän.com.
Because it has to be filmed.
Mm.
Because certainly after that one, this one for 6 floors certainly feels a lot like far too slow.
Yeah.
Yes. Those early 1999 ones in Oulu and in US are also like the very last ones without the doors
Yeah.
in Finland that are made by Otis.
That's